Hey everybody, Bo here. We are continuing on with our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion, Rolling Thunder, cabin on wheels. So we've been in shellacking mode. So I've been clear coating this thin lawn like a birch, or it's an underlayment. I like the way it looks when you put a clear coat on it. And this is the ceiling panels. There's 3 of them, and then there'll be some shorter ones. I'll have to cut those once I get these up. I'm gonna just screw these in. We'll see how that goes. I could put wood down, but then that'll lower the ceiling a little bit. So I'm gonna see how the first one goes up, and then we'll go from there. So getting ready to put in the puck lights in the ceiling. So I'm going to have to drill those with a hole saw on the ceiling boards. So I got these wired up, 4 of them. They're going to be on one switch that comes over to here. And then I'm going to have another switch for 2 over the bed that'll kind of be over by the window. And then of course under the counter I'll have a couple more switches for a couple more lights under there. So wish me luck as we try and get this thing wired, held up. I got a T-board, looks like a cross. So I'm going to try and get that to hold up the board a little bit while I'm screwing it in. Hopefully the plywood will hold good and it will not break or anything like that. It can be fragile, but I have these self-tapping screws. They're pretty wide and they're kind of nice, so we'll see how those work. That's what other people have used, so that's what I thought I'd try. Well, I got most of it on, but ran out of battery power. on the on my drill, so I couldn't finish this. But it's I got a few screws in to hold it up. I just got to button up the back part of it. And then that last part's all going to be cabinets, so that'll get covered up. And these 4 lights are the main lights, and then I've got 2 more over on the bed that are going to be on a different switch, so I don't have those on. Now I'm going to have to figure out how to cut something for this. But I'm going to tell you something, I like the way these thin plywood lawn looks, especially when you clear coat it. You could put a satin on it, that'd be really nice. And it's easy to install. I drilled everything, so that's definitely the way to go, is pre-drill. I use a cross, like a T, made out of 2x4s to hold it up. I was able to do it by myself, and it came out fairly even. So, you know, it's got to be trimmed up around the edges, and cabinets and everything will hide all the wires. I can't wait to put the boxes in. And we are getting there.